Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MCQs number 1. Which of the following is best suited stain in order to study chromosomes? Iodine solution, Leishman stain, Feulger stain, aniline blue. Correct option is C. Feulger stain. MCQs number 2. The scavengers or digestive bags of a cell are A. Chromosome, B. Centrosomes, C. Lysosomes, D. Ribosomes. So option C is correct, lysosomes. MCQs number 3. Which of the following are the functions of cytoskeleton except A. Maintaining shape, B. Movement, C. Contraction, D. Respiration. So the correct option is respiration because cytoskeleton is not involved in respiration. MCQs number 4. Identify the mismatch in the following pairs. A. Mitochondria cellular respiration. B. Lysosome intracellular digestion. C. Microfilament cyclosis. D. Glyoxisome deamination. So the correct option is D. Glyoxisome deamination because glyoxisome is not involved in deamination. MCQs number 5. The most prominent cell organelle of a bacterial cell other than DNA is mesosome, ribosome, lysosome, nucleosome. So the correct option is B. Ribosome. MCQs number 6. The cell wall of prokaryotic cell or bacteria is composed of pectin, lignin, cellulose, murein. So the correct option is D. Murein or peptidoglycan. MCQs number 7. The cell organelle in eukaryotic cell which is not bounded by the membrane is A. Lysosome, B. Centriole, C. Peroxisome, D. Mitochondria. So the correct option is B. Centriole, which is not bounded by the membrane. MCQs number 8. In which part of the chloroplast the fixation of carbon dioxide results in the formation of sugars? A. Envelope, B. Stroma, C. Thylakoid, D. Intergranum. So the correct option is B. Stroma because dark reaction takes place in stroma. MCQs number 9. The organelle which is absent in animal cell: A. Plastids, B. Centriole, C. Lysosome, D. Nucleus. So the correct option is A. Plastids, absent in animal cell. MCQs number 10. The special protein which carry lipid insoluble large molecule through pores of plasma membrane are called permeases, catalases, aminases, amylases. So the correct option is A. Permeases. MCQs number 11. The membrane enclosed spaces of endoplasmic reticulum are called A. Lamella, B. Cisternae, C. Stroma, D. Crestae. So the correct option is B. Cisternae. MCQs number 12. All of the following refers to lysosome except A. Slightly larger than mitochondria, B. Roughly spherical, C. Single membrane bounded, D. Contain powerful digestive enzymes. Correct option is A. Slightly larger than mitochondria because lysosomes are smaller than mitochondria. MCQs number 13. Lysosomes are also called as peroxisomes, mesosomes, phagosomes, glyoxysomes. So the correct option is C. Phagosomes. MCQs number 14. In the leaves of green plants, peroxisomes are the sites of respiration, photosynthesis, photorespiration, phototropism. So the correct option is C. Photorespiration.